Here are the top 10 tallest buildings in the world, based on their height to the highest architectural feature. Burj Khalifa 828 meters, 2,722 feet. Shanghai Tower 632 meters, 2,073 feet. Abraj Al Bait Clock Tower 601 meters, 1,971 feet. Ping and Finance Center 599 meters, 1,965 feet. Lotte World Tower 555 meters, 1,821 feet. One World Trade Center 541.3 meters, 1,776 feet. Guangzhou CTF Finance Center 530 meters, 1,740 feet. Taipei 101 to 509.2 meters, 1,671 feet. Shanghai World Financial Center 492 meters, 1,614 feet. International Commerce Center 484 meters, 1,588 feet. Note that this list may change over time as new buildings are constructed and added to the lease.